So, we've been talking about electricity, and today we're going to get to the details of why electricity is important. What we know electricity as is the following things on the board. We know it through electronics like lamps and light bulbs. We also know it through charging our phones. That is why it is important. But the only way that electricity actually works in these circumstances is if they are in circuits. Go ahead and grab this down in your notes. So when you actually plug in anything to an outlet or when you're charging something, you are closing a loop so that current can flow through it. Go ahead and underline the word closed because that's a key word. As you guys talked about in your review, current is the flow of electric charges, and if the loop is not closed, those charges aren't going to be able to move. Go and repeat the word after me, circuit.
Circuit.
One more time, circuit.
Circuit.
Okay. So, we're going to talk about the different parts of a circuit in class today. The activity that's going to show you what the different parts of a circuit, we are going to pretend to go shopping at the Circuit Mall. Go ahead and pull out the sheet that you guys grabbed on your way in and have it out in front of you. Alright? At the very top, you have a diagram. That is a circuit. Alright? That is going to be the map of your shopping trip. So at each station, something is going to happen. Notice at the top there is a station A, B, C, D, and E. They correspond to different parts of the circuit.
Hi. Jacob, how many are you taking?
10.
No.
Voltage means it causes current to flow, so would that be the ATM?
We're in the voltage.
So then the store is a resistor, right?
Yes,
Because it stops them.
it stops when you pay your whatever.
So then the students represents current.
Because it's going around stores.
Yeah, but wouldn't what would cause the resistance because don't you have to stop it?
Because they're following the circuit. It's current because they're following the circuit.
Okay, you guys just had some awesome discussions about which one of these parts was a current, which one of these parts was a resistor, which one went with voltage, alright? So, let's go ahead and answer the guiding questions. Number 1, where did you start the shopping trip? Table number 4, go ahead and tell us where you started the shopping trip. Letter A, or what else did we call it?
ATM.
Go ahead and say what you said.
ATM.
The ATM, alright? So what happened there? Someone from table number 4.
We received 10 coins.
Okay, so you guys received 10 chips at the ATM or this place right here. Table 4, go ahead and choose another table to answer number 2.
7.
Table 7, go ahead and tell us which one do you think this is? The current, the resistor, or the voltage, and give me why. Go ahead and...
We think that the ATM was voltage because it caused the current to start flowing.
Awesome. The ATM, once you guys got your chips, was what allowed you to start your shopping trip. Go ahead and grab this down in your notes. Voltage is represented by this long line and this short line. That long line is telling you it's the positive side, and that short line is telling you it's the negative side. Where else do you guys see a positive side and a negative side? Go ahead and shout it out. Where else in real life do you see a positive side and a negative side? Batteries, all right? So voltage, when you have a battery, that's actually where you're getting your voltage. You guys got 10 chips, so that's where you gained your energy. And that is what allowed your circuit to begin, all right? Question number 3. Did you lose or gain money at each station or store? Table number 7, go ahead and call in another table to answer that question.
6.
Table 6, did you gain or lose?
Lose.
Lose. So which one do you think it is? And give me a full sentence of why.
Number 4?
Yep, number 4.
We think that the stores represent resistors because they have to slow down and stop at each store.
Awesome. You had to slow down at each store. You also had to stop. On top of that, they took away your chips. They took away your energy, which is what resistance does. So whenever you guys see those little squiggly lines, that's going to be your resistor. Okay? So from the beginning of the class, I showed you guys a picture of a lamp and a picture of a phone charging. The phone is going to be the resistor because it's taking the energy, because it needs it. And the lamp or the light bulb is going to be the resistor because it's taking all that energy. Awesome. Question number 5. What was moving from store to store? Table number 6, go ahead and call in another table.
1.
Table 1, what was moving from store to store? Which one? Go ahead and pick one. The people were moving from store to store. So which one do you think it represented? Go ahead and give me a full sentence of why. Why? Which one do you think it was and why? Good. Why?
Because if following the circuit.
The people were following the circuit, and I made you guys follow the circuit all the way around, and so they represent current. Last 2 questions. Where did you guys all start? Go and shout it out.
ATM.
Good, but which charge did you start at? Well, positive. But which charge did you end at? Negative. So in a current, you always go from positive to negative. Go ahead and draw an arrow into so that you know which direction your current is going to go.